Afternoon, everybody. We have storm going, and quite a few of my neighbour's tiles have come off her roof. You probably just can see it, but please make sure you have things that sealed to the ground, because things like this will happen. And we're quite in the middle of a storm, and it's really bad. Alright, I'll let you listen to this in a minute. So it's really rainy. Luckily, I'm inside. I was about to do stuff. Sorry, I said the SH word. Christ almighty. The smoke fell down. So yes, we'll get to watch this now. Tell that my neighbour's trampoline's moved. Everything's just so bad. Can't even go out for a smoke, like that. Alright, I'll let you know more in a minute.